Old rare photos. Like and subscribe to the channel. A doctor determines a girl's racial identity by the color of her eyes. Germany, 1936. Elon Musk with his brother and mother. 1992. The only picture ever taken of Concorde flying at Mach 2, 1,350 miles per hour, in April 1985. Karakoy, Turkey, 1950. The first telephone with video communication Toshiba 500. Japan, 1968. At the Crossroads, India, 1930. Congress of the Communist Party USA, Chicago, 1939. Dresses by Chanel, 1938. King Mihai rides down the steps in his car, Romania, 1947. Writers Maxim Gorky and Leo Tolstoy. Yasnaya Polyana, Russian Empire, 1900. Sharla Thakral is the first woman in India to receive a pilot's license. She is 21 years old in the photo, 1936. Mark Twain demonstrates an experience with a high-frequency current that passes through the human body and lights an incandescent bulb. Nikola Tesla at the switch, 1895. Muhammad Ali talks a young man out of committing suicide, 1981. A cat descends a fire pole, USA, 1955. Jean-Paul Belmondo with a brood of chickens, 1965. Barack and Michelle Obama, May 26, 1996. Frank Sinatra surrounded by groupies, 1940s. Cake in honor of Adolf Hitler's 45th birthday for underprivileged children, Berlin, April 20, 1934. Nikola Tesla and King Peter II of Yugoslavia at the New Yorker Hotel, 1942. Model of the Moon at the Chicago Museum of Natural History, 1898. Last Samurai in traditional military gear, 1870s. God Save America from Communism. Boston, 1950. Policemen testing gas masks in a mobile gas chamber, 1939. Empress Nam Phuong, Vietnam, 1930s. Casting black cats for the lead role in a horror movie, Hollywood, 1961. Sassy Rooster Halloween costume. USA, 1920s. Sammy's Bowery Follies bar patron asleep at a table while a cat drinks his beer, Washington, D.C., 1947. Jean Shrimpton, called the first supermodel, 1965. A traffic controller with gifts for Christmas, Barcelona, 1970. The tradition of giving gifts to traffic wardens at Christmas was widespread throughout Europe, but it was especially loved and observed in Spain. Marilyn Monroe mugshot, who was arrested for driving without a license, February 4, 1954. Icebreakers pushing an iceberg in McMurdo Strait. 1965. Babies who lost their parents during the Vietnam War are airlifted to the United States for adoption, 1975. Fingerprint Library, 1944. Vaccination, New York, USA, 1947. Health Department employee administers smallpox vaccinations to dancers at Billy Rose's Diamond Horseshoe nightclub. Hindenburg Airship, 1936. Brazilian writer Clarice Lispector at work, 1950s. Kiss band with Geishas. Tokyo, 1978. People are lured to the polls by the showing of Disney cartoons. London, 1931. Construction of the sarcophagus over the Chernobyl nuclear power plant's emergency unit 4, 1986. Surviving passengers of the Titanic approaching the Carpathia, 1912. The Last Merchant Sailing Ship Pamir, 1949. Volcanologist Arpid Kerner hangs from a rope over the flaming crater of the volcano Stromboli, Italy, 1933. Write in the comments which photo you liked best, and watch our other videos. Old rare photos. Like and subscribe to the channel.